We'll guide you through how to make a PDF of photos on a mobile. You can follow this on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got them in my gallery here. We need to go and get an app to do this. So what you can do is go and open up the App Store or the Play Store. You can click on search and go and search for Google Docs. Then what you can do is go and get it and open it up. You can then go to the bottom right and tap the plus. We can go and create a new docs file like this. So click the plus at the top, come down the list and you can select image and you can then select from photos. You'll be able to go and see your photos here. So I'm going to select this one and it'll go and be added. What you can then do is go and tap on it. And what you need to do is tap the three dots and go and scroll down and select image options. And you can select the second option in the image row. That allows us to go and resize it and adjust it more. So you can then click, hold and drag on these dots and you can change the size of it and move it around as well by clicking and holding it. Deselect it, then press the plus and we can add more images. Adjust the image format like we did before and you can then go and position it where you want it. When you're finished, tap the three dots in the top right. Go down and tap share and export, tap on save as, you can select PDF and go and press OK. It will go and load and you can go and press the download button at the top and it'll then be downloaded to your phone and you can find it in your downloads. If you found this useful, then leave a like.